my. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aries. So in this video, I decided to try out these self grip rollers or Velcro rollers, whatever you want to call them. My hair was already sectioned off into 3 main parts. I had 1 row going straight down the middle, which definitely could have been a little bit wider. I don't know why I made that so small. But anyways, I had that row and then 2 bigger sections on the side. So starting with the middle row, I'm going to start in the back, adding some mousse to my hair and then making sure it's very detangled. And I didn't realize I was out the frame putting the roller in, but you'll get a better angle a few rollers later. So I just start from the ends, rolling my hair around it and tugging on it a little bit just to make sure my ends are nice and straight. And I just rolled it straight back. So the middle row is going to be going straight back, and then the 2 sections on the side, I'm going to try to go down, roll it down towards my ears. So yeah, I didn't have to put any pins or anything to keep the rollers in place. I mean, they're called self grip rollers. They pretty much stick there, which turns out to be a problem. These being Velcro towards the end, but y'all will see that. So yeah, I'm going to repeat that process all over my head. Okay, y'all. So it's the next day. I was supposed to be doing a voiceover for this video, but I really want y'all to hear, ooh, I'm shaking. Okay, I really want y'all to hear how terrible these rollers sound coming out of my head. So yesterday when I was putting them in, I would like mess up on a couple. I had to take them out and start over. And when I was taking them out, it literally sounded like I was ripping every single piece of hair out of my head. So yeah, I really think this is gonna be a huge failure. It's a terrible idea, but I'm gonna upload this video either way because I spent way too much time doing this. So I'm scared. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and they're like really like stuck in there, so I think this is gonna be really rough. We'll just see. I don't even know where to start. I will start from the bottom, but oh my god, this was a mistake. I'll just start right here. I want y'all to hear this. You know what? Okay, yep. Just like I thought. Yeah, these were a waste of money. I really don't think these are for textured hair. I really think it's, you know, for, you know. So, yeah. Y'all hear that? It doesn't hurt as bad as it sounds. Like, it doesn't hurt as much as I thought it would, but come on. Ooh, okay, yeah, no, these up here kind of hurt. This is a terrible idea. Yeah, I'll just be putting my hair up in the bun. Oh my. My hair. Oh my gosh. You know what? I actually might be able to wear my hair out in a fro. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I might be able to. I don't know. Let me just wait to finish. Okay. Oh my gosh. I like one of the freaking Huxtables. Oh. So, what am I gonna do? I need to think really quick. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab my pick and just wear it out in a fro. I guess. I don't really. Yeah, I'm just gonna see, the ends look okay in some spots, but it's just not, this isn't how this was supposed to go. It's okay. We're just gonna pick it out because that solves everything. Ooh, whoa, this might not be so awful. Look at that. I mean, it's not how it was supposed to go, but I guess it's turning out okay. I'm gonna have to put a bobby pin right there. Okay, y'all, so I actually really like my hair, but I'm still throwing these right in the trash because this just felt really damaging, and I could definitely achieve this with a regular roller set, like with some plastic rollers and not whatever this is, Velcro. It was literally Velcro. This is what the back looks like. Okay. It's really not too different from my last video that I just uploaded last week, but oh well. My hair still does feel really soft and really light, like really light. But yeah, those rollers are no, absolutely not. The pick definitely saved the day. I actually really like my hair like this. Yeah, this is actually really cute to me. If you don't like frizz, then yeah, you wouldn't like this, but I am perfectly okay with nice big hair, big frizzy hair. So this video didn't turn out how it was supposed to, but I guess this is okay. I hope y'all enjoyed this failure. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see y'all in my next video.